Hey everyone, this is Justine from JustPlans and welcome back to another video. In this video, I am using this Princess Rosy kit by Sweet Bella XOXO to memory plan the second week of March, and I am so super excited to finally use this kit. I've been hoarding it for quite a while. Adriana was super kind and actually gifted this kit to me, and I have been obsessed with it ever since I saw it first in her shop. The pink florals are just so pretty. I love the dimension of the different colors of pink with the olive greens in there. And I chose to foil this kit or get this kit foiled in gold. You can choose any foil color that you want in Adriana's shop, and I love that, though it kind of also stresses me out because, you know, it's sometimes hard to pick a foil, but I thought going with gold was perfect for this kit. And yeah, I've been hoarding this for quite a while. I'm so excited to finally use it. I actually think this was the perfect week to finally use this kit. First of all, because I love this kit so much. Second of all, this was a bit of a tough week for me. I was struggling with something in my personal life, and also this was the week that we were originally scheduled to close, so I was really getting stressed about that and how long the mortgage process was taking. And yeah, I'll get more into that as the week goes on, but the quote box in this kit is "Stay positive," which I thought was absolutely perfect for this week, again, because of everything that was going on in my life. And I just really, obviously I'm memory planning this about a month after it actually happened, but the sentiment of staying positive was definitely something that I needed for this particular week. So just thought the kit was absolutely perfect for that. Anyway, let's get into what I've done so far. I've laid down the base using things from the kit, and now I'm into the sidebar. The way I marked March, I don't know if I like it so much, but I cut in half a frame box from Sweet Bella XOXO and put a March script like kind of like across that cut line, and that March script is from Sticky Sloth Designs, and then those little dainty flourishes are from Painted Bird Design. What else did I mark? The lace dividers in the sidebar, which you will see when I move the planner, are from Bloom Paper Studio. I tried to use those throughout the spread. Then under the full box, I used a This Week header and marked that this week was 3 weeks before our moving day. And then I used another frame box with some deco from the kit to mark something personal. Okay, so the first thing that I'm marking on Monday with a different type of frame box from Sweet Bella XOXO. And then that like leaf deco is from Rachel's freebie from Honey Inked. And then a heart from Clever Gal Crafts. I'm using this to mark that we received our initial closing disclosure for our mortgage loan, which was very, very exciting. There's a requirement to receive your closing disclosure, at least the initial one, at least 3 days before closing. That is like I don't know if it's like a federal requirement or something like that, but yeah, that's a thing. Below that, I used just a monitor from the kit and another flourish to mark an important meeting that I had at work that day. Here, I also used just some more stickers from the kit to mark that I did a voiceover and uploaded a video that day. And then I had ordered new locks for our home, and they arrived this day, so I used a key icon from Lilac Luna Plans. I do have a code for that shop. It's Justine15. Tuesday, I had my annual gyno appointment, so I'm just using a doctor or like a stethoscope icon from the Pretty Pink Co. I have a coupon code for that shop as well. All of my coupon codes will always be linked down below. Okay. I marked work the same way every day except for Monday, I guess, but I just took like a short arrow or short flag from the kit and used this laptop icon from Planning World. That is my absolute favorite laptop icon. Love it, love the size, love how like clean and simple and just perfect those are. I am using a half box with some deco from the kit here and that Bloom Paper Studio lace divider to mark something personal. Again, I'm sorry, I was really going through a lot this week, and so some of those things are things that, you know, I don't really want to share in a private space, a public space. So I hope you don't mind that, you know, I don't like write those things out. I'm sure you guys understand. But anyway, at the end of the night, I did make some minestrone soup and some garlic bread. So I pulled in that, what is that? That icon is from White Deer Stationery, but I forget what exactly she calls those. But it is one of her newer releases. And then that leaf deco is from Honey Inked. Okay, so yeah, getting on to Wednesday. Wednesday was kind of cool because I actually realized that this was 1 year since I had my interview, when I was interviewing for my current job. Yeah, I have not talked about this on my channel yet, but I was interviewing, I started interviewing for this job in like January, and then the on-site was in March. And right after my on-site interview was kind of when COVID hit the New York, New Jersey area. And so I was really in this like limbo land with that position, because the hiring manager, who's my current boss, she had let me know that I was the candidate that they were going forward with, but all hiring was being freezed by my company. So I had to like wait very, very patiently for that hiring freeze to be lifted, and it finally was lifted like at the end of April going into May, and then I started in June. So that was like just a great great time in my life, just being very unsure of, you know, where we were or like when or if I was ever going to get this new job. But thankfully, you know, hindsight is 2020, and you know, everything worked out. But anyway, okay, on this day, we finally received our clear to close. Hallelujah. Geez, it honestly felt like forever. I was so super stressed, trying to bug everyone involved, from my attorney to the mortgage broker to the lender to everyone, trying to figure out, when are we going to be clear to close? Like, let's go, guys. Like I mentioned in the intro, this was the week that we were supposed to close on our house. The initial closing date was March 9th, and what I was mostly stressed about was that we locked in our mortgage rate at a really, really great rate, and then we locked that like at the end of January, but at this point, getting into March, the interest rates were starting to go up. So I was really scared that we would that we would extend past our rate lock, which was the end of our rate lock, or our rate lock expired March 15th, which was the following Monday after this week. So I was so stressed about not being able to meet that, because yeah, I mean, interest rates, you know. Okay. I skipped most of Thursday, but I'm just marking here that I played Animal Crossing and watched How I Met Your Mother. And then on Thursday night, I really couldn't sleep. Again, that was just a result of some of the things going on in my life that I was having like a hard time processing. So couldn't sleep, but I tried to mark that in a pretty way with the Bloom Paper Studio lace divider, and then flourish, and then a really pretty icon from Paper Plush Bar. On Friday, I packed 2 boxes, and I was super proud of myself, because packing and unpacking is something that I just like procrastinate the hell out of, which is actually what I'm currently doing. I really need to unpack, but I'm doing a voiceover instead. I had 4 meetings at work that day, and then we also confirmed the closing date. So you'll see actually that I kind of marked everything house related the same way, that using that frame box from Sweet Bella XOXO, some hearts from Clever Girl Crafts, and then some leaf vine deco or whatever from Honey Inked. Okay. And then at the end of the night, I edited and uploaded a plan with me, I'm assuming, and then I also wind down. I really, really needed that day. So yeah. Okay, here I'm marking that. So I've Archie has been having training classes every Saturday, and this was the week that he graduated from that group class. So that was very exciting. I wanted to mark that in a very pretty way. So I pulled in those heart clusters from Honey Inked, that paw print from White Deer Stationery, and then also used that Bloom Paper Studio lace divider. Afterwards, we celebrated with some Chipotle. So I just pulled in a utensil sticker from Crafts by Tally. At this point, I realized that I didn't have enough to mark on Saturday. I didn't have like enough to fill up the day, so I'm shifting things down in order to fit this piece of flower deco, or to mark that we just like, took a family walk around. Not something special, but just something that I needed to fill some space. At the end of the night, I did do some laundry and then continued packing. So, yeah, let me see. I don't know. Should I go on to Sunday? Sunday, you will see. I don't know. I feel like I'm in this weird place where I don't want to really move to Sunday yet. We're just gonna wait. We're gonna wait for Sunday. Here it is. Okay. Okay. So, I'm marking that we did the final walkthrough of the home. So this was just, before you actually close, you go to the house to make sure that all the requested repairs were done, that the house is still in a good condition. That nothing major happened between, the inspection and closing. So we were able to do that. That was like really nice, again, just to be in our new home. Afterwards, we did stop by Dunkin' because our walkthrough was quite early in the morning and we did not have any time to stop by Dunkin' or have breakfast beforehand, and that's just a no-no for both my boyfriend and I. We are definitely people who need our coffee in the morning in order to function and in order to be pleasant people to be around. So definitely had to grab some Dunkin' on the way out. When we got back to our area, we took Archie to Duke Island Park, and then we also got some ube cupcakes. This was from a bakery that one of my friends, her cousin owns the bakery, and they make ube cupcakes. And if you don't know what ube is, it's like a purple yam that Filipinos are crazy about. So really yummy. It's in a lot of Filipino desserts. But anyway, this is the final spread. I am absolutely obsessed with how this came out. I'm so happy that I actually did this kit some justice, at least in my opinion. And yeah, love it, love it, love it. Thank you so much for watching. I really appreciate it. If you did enjoy this video, please remember to like and comment down below. And I will see you in the next one. Bye.